For today's video, we're gonna learn about addition of fractions. There are two categories. We have similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. So when we say similar fraction, they have the same denominator, while dissimilar fractions have different denominator. So let's focus with similar fractions first. For example, we have 1/4 plus 1 plus 2/4. So to add similar fractions, you just have to copy the denominator, which is 4, then add the numerator to numerator. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the final answer is 3/4. Another example, we have 1/3 plus 1/3. So copy the denominator, which is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. Another example, 2/15 plus 3/15. Copy the denominator, 15. 2 plus 3 is 5. In this case, we have to reduce this to lowest term. So the common factor is 5/5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 5 divided by 5 is 3. So the final answer is 1/3. Another example, we have 2/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6, or 1/2. The lowest term for 3/6 is 1/2, because 3 is half of 6. Let's try another example. 1 and 1/7 plus 2 3/7. So how are we gonna add this? So let's add the whole number 3, then 1 plus 3 is 4, and copy the denominator. So this is the final answer. Let's have another example. 7/3, an improper fraction, plus another improper fraction, 5/3. So we can simply copy the denominator, then add both numerators. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now we have to reduce this to lowest term. 12 divided by 3 is also equal to 4. Another example, we have 1 and 9/13 plus 8/13. So we can copy, since the second term don't have a whole number, we can just copy the whole number 1. Then copy also the denominator, 13. Then add both numerators. 9 plus 8 is 17. As you notice, 17/13 is also an improper fraction, so we have to reduce this to lowest term. How many 13 are there in 17? 1. Then we have to add it to our existing 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then what will be the remainder for this improper fraction? 17 minus 13 is 4. And let's just copy the denominator. So this is the final answer. For dissimilar fractions, I will do another video about it. Thank you, and I hope you learn a lesson today.